What's the address here?
9316 168.
We're at 9316 168th Avenue Northeast, Redmond, Washington. The date is March 10th? 7th? 8th? 2019. We're recording the sewer line here. I'm going to get a recording of the whole thing coming backwards. So here at 95 feet, this is the first obstruction I've run into. That is a root ball. So there's a root going in from a tree about 95 feet out. We're just going to scoot by that and we can talk about what we want to do with that here in a minute. And there's your main. So that is right out near the main. We're in concrete pipe now, 6-inch, dropping into what I'm assuming is the shared main for all these other houses in the cul-de-sac. I'm gonna shoot down it a little ways, just for shits and giggles here. All right, oh, that looks good. That's not your responsibility anyway. You're responsible to the property line, but it all looks good. Probably 8-inch concrete out there. Shouldn't have much problem with that. 6-inch concrete here, coming back. So 95 feet, there's the root ball. I'm gonna come all the way back and get a recording of all the rest of the plastic line. So it's plastic out to that point. Plastic is a good thing. Old pipes are put in and concrete and clay. Stuff falls apart over time. Plastic. Long-lasting, fantastic. It's a good turn there at 30 feet, but shouldn't be an issue. Some cobwebs up there, which is a good thing, which means the spiders are living above the sewage, which means it hasn't backed up anytime recently. Little turn there at 11 feet-ish. Coming down the clean out here. So we recorded from this clean out in the garage. I'm going to end the recording there.